Hello students, I'm back with another video. So let us continue this chapter, charging by induction. So in previous video we were talking about the methods of charging. So one such method is charging by induction. So what is charging by conduction, by the way? So two bodies are charged, means one body is uncharged and another one is charged. So they are brought in physical contact with each other, okay, then the body get charged. So here same kind of charge is acquired by that uncharged body, but this is dead opposite to that. So charging by induction. So let us understand what do you mean by induction. So induction means inducing of charges. Inducing of charges. Inducing of charges without in physical contact. Without in physical contact. So this process is called as charging by induction. Here one more thing is the uncharged body acquires opposite kind of charge. So the uncharged body will acquire opposite kind of charge. I mean to say, if we bring a positive charged body nearer to the uncharged body, then the uncharged body will acquire negative charge. Whereas if you bring negatively charged body nearby the uncharged body, then that uncharged body will acquire opposite to that nothing but positive charge. So let's do this thoroughly with the diagrammatically, so that you will understand it better than just by explaining it. Assume we have here one uncharged body, and this uncharged body is mounted on a stand, that is insulated stand, and placed on the ground. Okay, so this is a neutral body, or you can say uncharged body. I told you neutral body means there will be presence of charge, but those charges how they will be equal in number. Suppose here 3 positive charges are there, then here it will be 3 negative charges. So such bodies are called as uncharged body. Now this uncharged body we have to make it as a charged body. Okay, for that what we have to do, we have to bring another charged body. Already ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಬಾಡಿನ ಇದ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ತರಬೇಕು. So already charged body we have to bring just nearby this uncharged body. So it should not be in contact. Physically it should not be in contact. So assume that we have brought this charged body. So let me name it as B, this as A. Okay, so this rod is right now positively charged. So it is been charged. How it is being charged? Either it is being charged by conduction or rubbing, or again by induction. So this is one such charged body. So this charged body is just brought nearby this uncharged body. So what happens during this step? At this situation what happens is the charges get separated, or we can call this as a polarization. So polarization takes place. So what do you mean by polarization? Polarizations means separation of charge, separation of charges. So we have seen in basic properties of charges that like charges means same charges, what do? They repel. Whereas unlike charges, that is positive negative or negative positive, what they do? They get attracted. So now here plus charges are there, okay, positively charged, and this face of this body A is positively charged and this is negatively charged. So somehow they are mixed up. Okay, so what happens here, all the positive charges, they won't come near this face. Instead what they do, they go away from this face. Okay, so they move away from this face and they all come and settle at this end of this body. Whereas negative charges, they get attracted and they all accumulate at this end of the body A. So I'll show it in a diagrammatic way. So you can just look at this third diagram. So here you see the charges are getting separated, or we can call it as polarization. So here near this phase, near this end, negative charges are accumulated because positive negative they get attracted, whereas the same kind of charges, that is positive charges, are accumulated far end of this body A. So in this way the polarization of this body takes place. Now what we are going to do at this stage is, this end surface where the positive charges are accumulated, we are connecting it to the earth. So this process we call it as earthing. So this process we call it as earthing. So what do we mean by earthing? Earthing means sharing of excess charges. Sharing of excess charges with the earth, because earth is also a good conductor. So here earthing is done, the surface A of a body A, that is positively charged surface of body A, end surface I mean to say, so that is been earthed. So earthing means sharing of excess charges with the earth. So here all these charges go to the earth and they get neutralized. So here what happens is neutralization is taking place. Meanwhile, this body B should not be removed. It should be still in front of this negatively charged surface and bodhatva end of this body A. So this should be hold here for until the neutralization process takes place. So once the neutralized process takes place, keeping it still, okay, what we have to do, finally we have to remove the body B. So after removing the body B, we get the body as a negatively charged. So all these negative charges, what they do now, they uniformly spread out here, in the body A. So this is how the induction process takes place. So once again we will have a quick recap. So what is charging by induction? It is nothing but a inducing of a charge, so without in physical contact. So opposite kind of charges is taking place. So here you see, here we have taken a charged body B as positively charged, and what is the final result? That body A is completely negatively charged. Suppose here if you have taken negatively charged body, then here this surface will become positive, negative charge, here positive, here negative. So here final result what it will be? Final result it will be positively charged. So opposite. So if it is positive charged body we are taking here, then the A body, that is uncharged body, will become negative. If this body B is negative charge, then body A will become positively charged. So this is nothing but charging by induction. I hope you understood this concept. I'll come with the next video with a new concept. Hello.